Any flies on my forehead?
I literally wing man. Oh my god, water. Do I have chicken wing on my face?
Do you have wing on my face?
Oh wow.
I'm losing it.
Wow, wow, wow.
That's our sound for the day. Wow. Excuse me. Can you pack these for us? Look.
Talisman wings range from medium to hot to Taliban.
Yup, that's right, Taliban. And they are not joking with the heat on these wings.
But they are super flavorful and tangy, and they hold true to the real buffalo wing flavor.
Plus, the blue cheese sauce cools you right down.
Why are they so good?
You're just gonna hear a lot of sounds from us. Sorry guys.
It's 10 in the morning. What am I doing with my life?
Eating chicken wings.
Are we trying Taliban?
Oh god.
Taliban.
Are you guys ready? Wow. Wow.
Do I have chicken wing on my face?
There's nothing wrong with that. Yum.
Doing the Taliban dance.
Is that a Taliban
I
dance?
don't know. Figuring it
No
out.
offense to all the Punjabis out there. Sorry, my friends are retarded.
Caribbean gave us a range of stuff to try, from tandoori wings to pepper wings, banjara kebabs and chicken lollipops.
And I've got to say, those pepper wings were on point, especially with all that sauce.
All in all, each dish had both good flavor and was well cooked.
I feel like what we should be doing is having that song play in the background.
Song.
Who is the chicken now?
What song is that?
You don't know that song?
Who is the chicken now?
Yeah, who is the chicken now?
What the hell?
It was a song when we were kids.
What is that?
Well, when we were growing up.
Who is,
Adolescents.
who is the chicken now?
Yeah, and then it would go, 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 go. You didn't remember? Why did my voice go so high pitched? That's so
I don't know.
juicy. Wow. Very nice, guys.
The Cedars wings are a foodie favorite and were voted on like 50 times.
And they didn't disappoint.
They're so juicy.
do you see there's like a stickiness to them that I really like?
Let me just
I don't roll my sleeves
but
up.
I'm gonna roll up my
Make sure I can eat properly. Sweet, spicy, juicy, tangy. We'd never even heard of Joe's Atlanta wings, but our foodie fam on Facebook introduced us to them, and now we're hooked.
And we love the flavor on their garlic parmesan wings. Salty and umami filled.
Totally good.
sauce is very good. Good flavor with palm. I like it. Joe's Atlanta wings. Got a parmesan.
If you come here, go for this flavor.
Go for this flavor.
And finally, last but definitely not the least, we tried crispy wings.
We'd seen social media go crazy for these wings, so we had to try them out.
So they started off as a delivery service, but are now opening up in Karen.
So you can get your chicken fix in person.
Oh yeah. That's real good. There's no such thing as too many wangs. I really like the name.
Otieno Danger. Who is Otieno and why?
Why are you a danger? Otieno. She doesn't need me, my friend.
I need my toilet paper in the freezer.
You need the good toilet paper, like the velvet kind of
Soft one.
the soft one.
And now, I don't want to see any more wings till next week.
How many wings do you think we ate today?
Maybe 50?
50? Maybe 50.
50 wings?
If you think you can do better, let us know in the comment
Yeah.
section below.
We'll take you with us next time.
We'll take you with us or just challenge us.